Hello guys. Oh my god, why do I look so bright? Shit. I was looking too bright in that angle, but hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so pardon all the vehicle noises, but I'm still looking very bright. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm wearing a very cute denim dress, hoops, and I've accessorized with like a few rings. And I've worn this dress before, but I've only worn it one time before, and I absolutely love it. It's got a very nice cutout sort of detailing, and it's a very cute short dress. And sorry for all the noises if you all can hear them and it's reaching to you, because I can definitely hear all the vehicle noises and all my grandmother's she's making noises in the kitchen and dropping utensils. But anyways, I am going out with Mahika, and she does not need any introduction for my channel. And if Mahika and I are in one video, then I can assure you it's going to be 10 to 15 minutes of absolute entertainment. But for that, subscribe, ignore the scooter sound again, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and our Instagram accounts, everything, everywhere that we are. Subscribe, follow us, because we're a very entertaining duo, guys.
Okay.
They are just our delusions, but I'm pretty sure even y'all will find us incredibly fun and entertaining. But enough of me being vain. Anyways, I am going out with Mahika. It was her birthday 2-3 days ago on the 28th, but it was a working day, an office day, so I could not meet her. I mean, the last day I remember I had college, and I had gone like straight after college. I had bunked like the last 2 lectures and gone with her for lunch. But this time, you can't really bunk office like you bunked college. So it's Saturday and we're celebrating her birthday on a weekend. Again, my super patchy mirror. My hair are really oily, but I straightened it so that it looks a little better, honestly. And yeah, this is the dress. I really liked it. This bag that I had, I think I had this in the vlog that I went out with my friends Devika and Akanksha as well. And this is Mahika's birthday gift.
Doing a YouTube video, right?
Do you think I can film? You know what I said like in my intro?
What?
You're gonna meet like the most entertaining duo you'll ever see. So
Yeah,
if you and 10-15 minutes of full entertainment.
We are very entertaining. I have cold right now. So
But still you're entertaining. We are such self-acclaimed delusional people.
And,
But show your outfit, nice. We'll show the proper proper outfit.
Yeah.
We'll show later.
Yeah.
But show your earrings and all.
earring.
And show my ring.
Ashley's ring. Always I take one ring and give
Yeah.
it back to her.
Yeah.
Earrings, nails, ring. That's a cute
Post
picture.
birthday celebration.
You wanna do your fit check?
No,
You
later
did.
only we'll do.
You did, no?
Yes.
I knew it, you did it.
But what cafe are we going
We're
to?
going to Bayleaf Cafe in Juhu. Do
And-
not follow us there. But you all can't, because this vlog will come very late.
Yeah, in our heads we have like 30 million. No, that's why we think
More than 30
fans will
million,
come.
yeah.
Yeah. One more thing, this girl has decided like the menu also.
Yeah, I decided because I'm done with pizza and pasta.
So,
like,
but
for
we'll
the
tell them what
longest
we'll have
time.
over
yeah,
there.
Yeah, but I'm just saying like I'm
Yeah.
done as of now
Same.
for a short period of time.
Period of time, then back to that.
Yeah,
again.
obviously.
But before that, gotta check maps.
Yes.
And then when we are there, we will show you all everything
Yeah.
again. We are at the Bayleaf Cafe. Look at the cafe, it's so cute. We're sitting on top, and I hope you can hear us. There's music, but very cute. And we're going to
Looking at the camera. I should film you.
So we have ordered one sizzler. It's the sizzling China some sizzler, and I've ordered green apple mojito, which is going to be the better mocktail, because
We're gonna see after having that.
and she has ordered iced tea as always, apple
Because limited options.
and apple mint iced tea, which of course mine is going to be tastier. And let's
See.
and also she has ordered the sizzler. I hope that it meets up to the expectations.
It's gonna be damn yummy.
And she has decided this order for the past 2 weeks.
It's because I didn't want to have the same pizza and pasta. So I was like, this time we're having a sizzler.
Can you see how entertaining we are? These are our drinks, and this is the green apple mojito for me, and that's the apple iced tea and Mahika's filming for our real content. And this is the sizzler that Mahika has ordered. Looks tempting. The food is served and let's see if her choice is good or not. Taste test. Chalo, go taste.
One second, I'm just removing this from the side. It's like twice covered.
No one needs this information. When she tastes it, we'll come back. Taste test time, guys. She said she'll have the noodles.
But then this was much easier to.
Yeah, rice is tasty. I had it.
Very yummy.
Nice, na?
Now I'll have the noodles. Let's see them.
Yummy?
Good.
Really?
Genuinely, I'm saying.
So we're so much pee pee poo poo. So we're done having our lunch.
It's like the
It's like the bus wants to come in our video. People are looking. Follow us also, don't just look. But we're done having our lunch and it was really nice. I like the sizzler. Gossip,
Like
no,
this?
gossip talks, deep talks, funny talks, every type of talks.
Come
And
on.
our rickshaws are waiting. When we need rickshaws and taxis, they don't come.
They never come.
They never come. When we don't need, I'm sorry for the background music. I will buy a mic soon. Soon.
Guys, 1K subscribers and she'll buy a mic.
Mic. Yeah, then
Make
you
it
will
happen.
make it happen today. After this vlog, I'll go viral. Both of us.
Yes, she
Cool.
will.
1K क्या 10, 20, 100
First
K.
start with 1K.
हाँ 1K. So now we had the which Sizzler, tell the audience if they
Sizzling
come
China.
here.
Sizzling China.
Sizzling China.
You liked it, you said you were gonna do
I liked it. I really liked it. 8 on 10.
Also very nice.
8 on 10.
8 on 10 is quite
Drinks
good.
also I would say 7.5.
I liked mine, yours was very sweet.
Mine was it was a
Very
little
sweet.
too overpowering I think so, but
I liked it.
but it met. But like the taste was actually a green apple. Proper. So it was not normal. Some places just give normal mint mojito. So it was proper green apple. So I like this 11.5, 8 on 10. So overall the food was nice. The vibe is nice. Nice cafe. So you all can
It's so
come.
pretty. It's very pretty. Very pretty.
There's an inside sitting, outside sitting. So very
Yeah,
cute
very cute, yeah.
place.
Winters, Mumbai winters where people can sit outside.
So now so it's sweating.
But
Mumbai
it's not
summers
even-
may sit inside.
It's not even like
That
5
hot.
minutes I've come
Ah.
out and I'm like sweating.
Mumbai is not for Mumbai summers. For Mumbai winters, you can come here. But
Show your
that's my ring only.
I think I said show your nails. What were you gonna do to your nails? I want you to tell the audience.
I
Put
was
a
going.
screenshot.
I don't have that picture.
Take it again.
I had put stick-on nails.
This big.
They were literally that big. They were Kylie Jenner type. They were.
What? Take a little far else.
I don't know. What if someone just takes my phone and runs away?
No one. Mumbai people are very hopeful.
So yeah, I had put like proper stick-on nails.
And then she removed.
So much noise, but I
This
removed
is
it.
Mumbai. Like,
So
of
we are kind
course,
of giving you original Mumbai vlog. So yeah, it was a really nice chill afternoon. Not much
Sweating, man.
content that we've shot, but a very
not
chill.
too much.
For our reels we
Uh-huh.
shot, but not for YouTube.
Yeah,
We were
YouTube
talking
because
so much, and there was a lot of noise, so we couldn't really shoot. So yeah, while she puts on the maps on and with horrible lighting, we have. I told you the Juhu Beach ka only area.
I told you, Juhu Beach is here.
Oh my God! Last time also we came here only for your birthday.
Prithvi Cafe.
We always want a school reunion, but the school reunion is not happening. The only
It will
reunion we
happen
had is of her, me, and Matandi. So that the world knows, like if our schoolmates are watching, they know that they should plan a reunion and we should all like get together. Let's do a reunion and like let's meet. Like everyone has a reunion, we never have anything. Nothing our school has.
It's like a rat.
This is like a rant session. But now, what are your plans for the rest of the weekend?
I'll have to like pick up a few things now. Then I might just edit the reel. In the
And then
evening. Then I
check
will
it out.
watch a show.
When will you watch Drive to Survive F1?
I will.
I've asked her to watch Drive to Survive F1 ka on Netflix because I love F1 and this girl is not watching it.
Because timing issue.
Everything else you watch, only this you don't watch.
I genuinely will watch.
When?
I
Tell
don't
them a
know.
time. But
I don't
next,
know
till
the
the next
time.
time we meet, will you be
Yes.
will you have watched it?
Yes.
And what if somehow it happens that we meet like 1-2 weeks later?
So 1-2 weeks to me, I will watch it. You remind her next week.
I reminded you 3-4 times in the past. Give some show recommendations to the audience.
I love Schitt's Creek. I love New Girl. I love Brooklyn
Not
Nine-Nine.
comedy, normal other new shows.
I've not watched anything recently. I'm watching this show, Hijack show, but I don't.
It's got
know.
Vijay Varma. Suits is a nice show.
Watched a long back.
Grey's Anatomy you should watch. The Good Girls Guide to Murder is a nice show. It's a nice
Watched.
show, yeah. I've read the book also. It's a nice show. Yeah, and I guess that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Short, sweet, cute video and
Trying food, please.
trying food. I think I'll add this in the trying food places plus day out kind
Yeah.
of video.
Trying food places.
Episode 8.
Oh! Now she remembers.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and her channel also, our Instagrams, everything. Just
Yeah.
subscribe, follow and make us hit
Bye.
many lakh followers.